William Jones Cup. The defending champs beating Malaysia 106-98 to stay undefeated in the tournament. SGA blew the game open in the second half as they opened the third quarter with a 17-6 run, turning a single-digit lead at the break to a 19-point advantage. DJ Fenner led the way with 20 points on just 9 shots. He also had 8 rebounds and 4 assists. Kiefer Ravena also made his presence felt here in his first start, firing away 17 points, including 4 3-pointers. Up next for SGA will be a potential gold medal showdown against fellow unbeaten team Bahrain tomorrow at 3 p.m. Philippine time. And joining us right now via Zoom all the way from Taiwan is one of the stars of Strong Group's win over Malaysia. The only Filipino as a Jordan ambassador. Welcome back to the show, the Phenom, Kiefer Ravena. Good evening, Bards.
Hello guys. Good
Thanks
evening.
for joining us, Kiefer.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Dre.
First of all, congratulations for Strong Group Philippines Athletics. 6-0 now in the 44th William Jones Cup. Strong showing. Okay, this is your first start, Keith, Jones Cup. How would you assess so far your performance here?
Well, okay naman. Medyo late lang ako humabol kasi nga galing ako sa isang event. Pero I played 3 games na, 2 games now.
Two games.
2 or 3? Tatlo na ba? Parang basta ganun, but parang jet lag pa ako eh. Pero so far so good. Importante healthy naman kami lahat. Syempre gearing towards the end of the tournament. Going for that back-to-back championships. I think it's been a while since that's been done by a Filipino team. So that's the goal right now.
All right. Well, SGA has been dominating the tournament 6-0 so far. What's been the mindset heading into tomorrow's crucial match against Bahrain?
Well, syempre, take advantage kami doon kasi kakatapos lang halos ng laro ng Bahrain and ROC. So, and then we're playing at 3 p.m. So, hopefully we could take advantage of the rest that Bahrain will have compared to what we're having now. We were able to watch their game and then prepare for it mentally. So, I guess coming to the Jones Cup, ang mindset naman namin is everybody wants to beat us. Pag champions ka, ganun talaga. And if you're going for a back-to-back, it's even harder. So, yun ang mindset namin. Hopefully, we can execute all the things that we've worked on, we've talked about. And, grind one out tomorrow.
Well, so far so good. Kumbaga, if it's konting tweaks na lang dahil 6-0 nga, pinag-usapan namin ni Cheska. And kumbaga, why fix it if it's not...
If it ain't broke.
If it ain't broke, as the coach says. Pero sige, gusto natin pag-usapan. Yung nag-viral dahil tuwan-tuwa ang buong Pilipinas sa'yo, isa kang Lodi, isa kang nag-iisa.
Parang hindi naman ata lahat ng Pilipinas natuwa doon. Marami pa rin nasasabi. Pero yun, dito tayo sa event natin sa Greece. So,
pag-usapan natin. Sige.
Experience for me.
Kaya ba nagpatubo ka ng facial hair dahil nakilala mo si Michael Jordan, si Luka Doncic? Pakikwento nga yung...
Kabibili ko lang ng pang-ahit, Dre. Kasi tatanggalin ko na actually.
Pero ito, Pards, pinapakita namin on air ngayon, pictures mo with Carmelo Anthony, with Luka Doncic lang naman.
Crazy.
Grabe. And this is the Jordan Board of Greatness event in Greece. Okay, Pards, kwento mo. Did you expect to see all of them and Zion Williamson? Was it how you planned it to be? Yung makita sila?
Well, syempre hindi. Parang it's an experience na parang never ko talaga in-expect. I actually got the invitation couple months back, even when I was still in Japan. Tapos sinabi ko kagad sa mom ko and sa wife ko kay Diana. Sabi ko, uy, tulungan niyo ako kasi kailangan ko makakuha ng visa. Tapos sabi nila saan. Tapos yun nga sinabi ko sa kanila, inopen up ko sa kanila. And hindi ko muna sinabi yun na na-invite ako sa maraming tao. Actually, ilan lang yung nakakaalam. Siguro mga 2 lang sila. And then kasi ayoko din ma-preempt kasi nga gusto ko talaga matago din sa sarili ko kasi it would have been nothing pag hindi naman din ako nabigyan ng visa, di ba? So, I wanted to prepare myself also. Tapos, ayun, nung papalapit na, lumabas na yung visa ko, I was so excited. Hindi ko din kasi alam kung sino talagang pupunta, pero I know of the history of formerly known as the Board of Governors, ngayon Board of Greatness na.
Correct.
I know what's the event all about, you know, the history, what happens. So, pero hindi ko alam talaga kung sinong pupunta. Kaya talagang hindi ko in-expect na yung mga makikilala ko, makakasalamuha ko, and then actually, it was just more than, you know, the just being there, the presence. Parang yung mga kwento talaga, yung mga napagkwentuhan namin all throughout the event, the weekend, something that I really treasure for the rest of my life.
Okay, but we need to know what happened when you met Michael Jordan because I would have fainted.
Medyo obvious naman dun sa picture, di ba? Medyo nanginginig ako. Parang,
Pakita natin.
Oo, di ba? I think the picture says everything. Oo, di ba? Parang,
Ito.
Parang, di ba?
Ayan,
nanginginig pa ako talaga dyan. Hindi ko pa mapindot yung, yung selfie na puting yun.
Parang
Diba?
gusto mo pa nga ikis eh.
Di ba? Parang, di ba? Siyempre, ko yan eh. Isa sa mga inspirasyon ko talaga together with Kobe when it comes to basketball. Parang yan yung generation ko talaga na ma-dream mo talagang makasama or ma-meet or something like that. And, you know, I was fortunate enough to, you know, to meet the late great Kobe Bryant multiple times. But never in my lifetime I would expect and say that, you know, I would actually get a chance to meet Michael, even though, Michael na tawag sa kanya.
Close ah!
Yeah. So, ganun na talaga. Pero other than that, hindi ko talaga in-expect. Parang it was one of those things that, you know, just fell into place, I would say.
Totoo bang sinabi niya sa'yo na sabi mo kasi you're so grateful to be there at sabi niya just keep on doing your thing and dumadaan sa kanya kung sino yung mga pinipili ng brand?
Actually, gano'n naman din talaga yung sinabi niya sa aming lahat. And people might be surprised on how hands-on he really is. And I admire him as a person now that, you know, I was able to be around him. But overall, just being able to be invited in such a exclusive and prestigious event, yun talaga. I think, you know, it's more than lahat na, wala nang accolades, wala nang kahit ano. It's just being there. I think it's the pinnacle of being a basketball fan, I would say, and actually motivates me even more to, you know, perform better, have an actual responsibility. You know, I just got married, so that's my motivation. But this event even gives me more motivation, knowing that I know I have the responsibility to represent a brand such as Jordan Brand. So, you know, take that responsibility, take it as a challenge, and hopefully this season in Japan I'll be able to perform the way those guys are performing in their respective crafts.
Well, I mean, the cumulative basketball IQ in that group alone is off the charts. So, was there anyone else from that group that you were able to really speak with? Were you able to pick their brains?
Yeah, you know, I was fortunate enough to talk to Luka a little bit. You know, Rui, just because, you know, we're the two Asians over there, and then he's from Japan. I'm playing in Japan, so there was a lot of common ground there to talk about. You know, Dexter Fowler from MLB. He was so down to earth and cool just to be, you know, talking to me, and also his brother, si Wesley, and then everybody else. It was such a surprise that, you know, ito yung mga players na pinapanood mo lang, and then eventually nakakausap mo, and yeah, and also, you know, made good conversations with Jaime Jaquez Jr. as well from the Miami Heat. Yun naman, sobrang blessed lang, sobrang swerte ko lang.
We agree.
Yeah, we're super happy for you. I'm sure Diana was also there and super happy for you. Pards, sabi ko nga kay Cheska, sabi ko nga the other day, what a year for you. You just got married to Diana and then, ito nga, Board of
Yes.
Greatness sa Greece. Tuloy-tuloy lang. We're just really,
love to
really
see it.
happy and proud of you. Tito Kiefer.
Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle Andre.
Thank you so much. That was Kiefer Raveno of the Yokohama B Corsairs and currently with Strong Group Athletics. Thank you, Kiefer.